Windows Phone smartphone. It's very much like the Nokia 9, as you know, before the Migo Hamilton device, but there's a couple of differences. Here you have a physical camera key, and around the back the LED flash is repositioned. Still Carl Zeiss lens, still the great optics that Nokia is very proud of and happy with. It looks to be about the same thickness, about the same size. Still 3.9-inch clear black AMOLED display. Loudspeaker down here at the bottom. Nothing on the left side, and exactly the same ports on the top. This is your micro USB, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a SIM card slot over here. We should actually check. It's a micro SIM card slot on the N9, and it's a micro SIM card slot over here as well on this new Lumia 800. Okay, so we're here in the Windows Phone 7.5 interface. A couple of the Nokia specific applications that have been added. Things like Nokia Drive over here. There's Nokia Music, and Nokia have just announced an exclusive with an ESPN sports tracking application. Evidently it's not on this particular phone that we're looking at here, but it will be exclusive for Nokia on Windows Phone. I mean, the way that Stephen Elop described this is that the Lumia 800 is the first Windows Phone. So let's take a look at Nokia Drive. I think this is driving navigations, turn-by-turn navigations. This is something that will harness the Nokia Maps application, which is going to be integrated into Bing and the whole Windows Phone experience. So while this is still loading, we can actually take a look at this set side by side with the N9. The Migo device, as you can see, it's basically the exact same chassis physically. Looking at the front and the side, exact same buttons apart from that camera key on the new Lumia 800. Come around to the back, you can see the Geo LED flash has been shifted from the side to the top here. And this is the navigation here. We're not going to risk it because there's a bunch of connectivity issues here at the event. But what we can actually do is set this also side by side with a couple of other devices. We've got an HTC Titan, which is the biggest Windows Phone device around. This can give you sort of an idea for the dimensions of the new Lumia 800. I mean, in terms of responsiveness, it's typical Windows Phone performance. It's very quick and snappy. You can actually go into the camera application and take a look. You can launch that with the physical key there. Yeah, it's exactly the standard Windows Phone camera application. Tap to focus and shoot. Speed is pretty much on par with all other Windows phones. I mean, you couldn't expect anything different. This is a Windows Phone through and through, so performance will be exactly as